So what we're going to do today is taking apart this Tommy gun. I just removed the screw from the pistol grip. I just removed the two screws from the buttstock, and this is the trick. You just push down this button, slide it off, and that's it. Very easy. This part will fall off, so it needs to stick in there to get the stock screw fixed. It tends to wobble out, then it just hangs somewhere and you can't get off the upper to put it back in place because it blocks somehow, and that's why I just glue it. So I'm using super glue with a little bit of filler. You can replace filler with some stuff like baking soda. It's just to create a hard surface, plastic-like, which bends the two materials together. You can also use a little bit of brake cleaner or something to make the super glue get hardened faster. So the fire selector and the safety needs to be removed next. There is a small hex screw on both of the selectors. If you get them off, there is a tiny spring and a tiny little plastic part that makes a clicky sound. So you can lose them very easily. Here there is a spring in it, and the little plastic part comes up there. These are these two really fucking tiny parts. You can replace them, but it will never click as snappy as it did before. So don't lose them. Next thing, next fire selector. These fire selectors are both the same as the little white plastic things we have to remove next. These are the same, and it's yeah, there's no reason to make sure you remove you put back in the right ones on the right side. This is not interesting. What is interesting is to get the little white parts beneath here on the right position back again after you got it out once. The motor needs to be removed. You will not get it through the body. So we are getting out these two screws. Get off the motor cables. Do not bend the motor contacts. And get off the motor. This is quite easy, because we have a motor cage. Now everything's loose, and this is the part, also loose, we need to take care of. We have these two little white parts which are moved by the fire selectors, and we got the selector plate which does only do the safety. So that's it.
Bye, have a beautiful time.